Hi, good morning everyone, all childrens. I hope everyone safe and be safe and stay home. Today we are starting the online classes. Today we'll discuss about pair of linear equations in two variables. So first of all, what is equation? What is the equation? So equation is nothing but, suppose 3x is equal to 5 is given. In this one side is LHS, one side is RHS. It is a variable expression. It is a mathematical expressions. So the between have one equal sign is there. Is nothing but equation. So different types of equations. 4x plus 7 is equal to 5 and 5x minus 2 is equal to 9. In this 2 we observe that this is LHS, this is RHS, this is LHS, this is RHS, but here which sign is present? So equal sign is present. So that's why this is called equation. In this equation, so after that we can what? Linear means what? An equation ax plus b is equal to 0 is called linear equation. Ax plus b is equal to 0 is called a linear equation. Suppose I written 4x minus 9 is equal to 5 I written. In this one, what is the variable here? X. X has degree is 1. So whenever degree is 1, that equation is known as what? Linear equation. Some examples: 3x plus 5 is equal to 27 written. In this one, what is the degree? 1 is there. So that's why this is called a equation. 4x minus 9 is equal to 7. 4x minus. So in this degree is 1. That's why called a linear equation. Suppose before example, suppose 4x minus 9 is equal to 25. In this one, degree is 1, but only one variable is there. That's why this equation is called linear equation in one variable. 4x minus 9 is equal to 25. In this one, this is called linear equation because degree is 1. But here how many variables present in this equation? Only one variable present. That's why this is called what? Linear equation in one variable. Suppose here 9y minus 7 is equal to 34 is there. In this one, so degree is 1 here, only one variable present. This is also called what? Linear equation, one variable. Suppose 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Here degree is 1, 1. This is called a linear equation. But here how many variables are present here? 2 variables are present. That's why called a linear equation, 2 variables. Are you understood difference between the one variable and 2 variable? In this one variable, in this only one variable present. Degree is 1. That's why this equation is called linear equation, one variable. This is also called linear equation. But here how many variables are present here? Here degree is one only. This equation is called linear equation, two variables. Two variables. So now we discuss about pair of linear equations. This pair of linear equations, suppose 4x plus 5y is equal to 9. It is one linear equation. Two variables. Suppose 8x minus 5y is equal to 27. So one more linear equation. Two variables. These two are called linear equation, two variables. So one more time repeating to you everybody. First one you can learn about equation. Equation is nothing but what? Suppose 3x minus 5 is equal to 7 is there. In this one, here equal sign is present. That's why this is called a equation. This is called variable statement. This is called mathematical statement. You all learn in 9th class, in 7th class, in 6th class, what it may be. So, but here we are discuss about linear. What is the meaning of linear? Any equation is in the form of x plus b is equal to 0. Such equation is called linear equation, one variable. Any equation is in the form of x plus b is equal to 0. Such equation is called linear equation, one variable. Are you understood everyone? X plus b is equal to 0 is called linear equation, one variable. So in this one, here suppose one more definition also there, linear equation. Second definition is what? An equation degree is 1. Any equation degree is 1. Such equation is called linear equation. It is a second definition. But you want linear equation, how many variables? Two variables. What are the two variables here? Suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Such equation is called linear equation, two variables. You already learned in 9th class. You know that how in 9th class, what is called linear equation? An equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Such equation is called linear equation, two variables. This is called linear equation. How many variables? Two variables. So next one is, what is the meaning of pair of linear equation? An equation a1x plus b1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Here A1 not equal to 0, B1 not equal to 0. Here also A2 this is. Here A1 not equal to 0, B2, B1 not equal to 0. Such equations are called pair of linear equations. Are you understood? First of all, first you learn about equation definition. Next one, linear equation one variable, linear equation two variables. Next one, pair of linear equation, how many variables? Two variables. So this is main basic part of what? Pair of linear equation, two variables. Now here today we'll discuss about next continuation. Okay, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a1 not equal to 0, b1 not equal to 0, as well as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, a2 not equal to 0 and b2 not equal to 0. In these equations, we can solve the equations by using 4 methods. The first method is called graphical method. Second one is elimination method. Third one is substitution method. And fourth one is reducing method. Pair of linear equation, the solved by using how many methods? 3 methods. One is a graphical method, one is elimination method, one is substitution method, fourth one is a reducing method. In these 4 methods, we can solve the pair of linear equations. So that's why next one is okay, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So first of all, solve the equations. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Such equations are called such lines are called intersecting lines. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, such lines are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, one more name is called consistent lines. Consistent lines. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, such lines are called intersecting lines. One more name is called consistent lines. This graph, how to draw the graph? So this is a graphical method of which lines? Intersecting lines. It has only one solution. only one solution, nothing but unique solution. What I'm saying understood for you? Yeah, these two are pair of Lind equations. How can you solve the pair of Lind equation? So whenever a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, such lines are called intersecting lines. One more name for intersecting lines name is called what? Consistent lines. So the graphical representation of intersecting lines is it has only one solution, nothing but unique solution. Unique means one solution. So next one is, suppose a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. These lines are called parallel lines. Other name is called inconsistent lines. Inconsistent lines. So the graphical representation of inconsistent lines are like a parallel parallel. It does not intersect anywhere. That's a parallel. It has how many solutions? No solutions. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. That lines are called, what is the name? Parallel lines. One more name for parallel lines is what? Inconsistent lines. So this is a way of drawing what? Parallel lines. It has how many solution? No solution. The no solution for parallel lines. Nothing but zero solutions. Z0 0. Suppose a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. These lines are known as what? Coincident lines. One more name for what? Dependent lines. Dependent. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This line is known as what? Coincident lines. One more name for coincident lines, what? Dependent lines. It has many solutions. Many solutions means infinite solutions. And it means more number of solutions will come. Which lines? a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Coincident lines or dependent lines. So next, so the graphical representation of dependent lines. Suppose it has one solution. Second solution same as it is on the line, same line. So this is a way of representing different types of lines. First one is, so will this simply you can write like that, everyone. First one is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. This name is called intersecting lines. One more name is called consistent lines. This way of graph one solution. Second one is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This line is known as parallel lines. One more name is called parallel lines, what? Inconsistent lines. Inconsistent lines. This is a graph of parallel lines. No solution. Third one is known as A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So in this one, this name is called coincident lines, or one more name is called dependent lines. So this is a way of graph like that. It has many solutions. So this is a main important part of the lines. Depend upon lines. Suppose I'll give one. Suppose 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. 9x minus 5y is equal to 4. So this is example of what? Pair of linear equations. How many variables? 2 variables. You write at least 4 pair of linear equation, 2 variables. Pair means compulsory, 2 equations compulsory. That is one pair. But I said what? 4 pairs. 4 pairs of linear equations. You write this example of what? Pair of linear equation. You write at least 4 pairs of linear equations. 4 examples, nothing but 4 examples. So each example compulsory how many? 2 linear equations. But how many variables? 2 variables. So that's why write some examples of what? 4 examples of pair of linear equation. How many variables? 2 variables. Okay. Right. Next one is 4x minus 5y is equal to 7 is there. In this one, this is called A1. A1 is equal to 4. So next one is B1. B1 value how much? Minus 5. And C1 is equal to 7. Mostly you don't know A1 value and B1 value and C1 value. Next, suppose 9x minus 5y is equal to 37. It is another pair of linear equation. So this is called A2. A2 value 9, B2 value minus 5 and C2 value 37. Are you understood how to represent the value? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. Suppose, I'll write one more example. Suppose 9x minus 5y is equal to 35. 4x minus plus 8y is equal to 39. In this one, A1 value how much? 9. B1 value how much? 5. And C1 value 35. And A2 is equal to what? 4. And B2 is equal to 8. And C2 is equal to 39. See, these are how to write A1 value, B1 value and C1 value and A2 value, B2 value and C2 value from the above pair of linear equations. So this is most important, how to write the A1 value, B1 value, C1 value, A2 value, B2 value and C2 value. After that, in your textbook, in exercise 4.1, the first bit, some examples, some questions are given here. Some problem. 3x plus 4y is equal to 9 is given the first one. Suppose 8x minus 5y is equal to 37 given. What is the question here? These lines are represent parallel lines or intersecting lines or dependent lines. Did you understand the question, everyone? You are given the 2 pair of linear equations. These are represent intersecting lines or parallel lines or dependent lines. How to find? One more time repeating question. 3x plus 4y is equal to 9 is given. 8x minus 5y is equal to 37. These are called pair of linear equation, two variables. You know that already. Before already explained how to write the pair of linear equation. In these equations, in the pair of linear equation, these lines are represent intersecting lines or parallel lines or dependent lines. How to find? So we'll clarify now. Now first of all, write a1 value 3, b1 value 4, c1 value 9, a2 value 8, b2 value minus 5 and c2 value 37. So a1 value, b1 value, c1 value, a2 value, b2 value and c2 value. In this one, first find it a1 by a2. a1 by a2. Students, a1 value how much here? 3 by a2 value how much? 8. So 3 by 8. Next, b1 value, b1 by b2. b1 value how much? 4. b2 value minus 5. So a1 by a2 3 by 8, b1 by b2 what? Minus 4 by minus 5 and c1 by c2 value. c1 value 9 by 37 total. So a1 value, and in this what you observed? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Yes or no? a1 by a2 value 3 by 8, b1 by b2 value 4 by minus 2. These two are not equal. So these two are not equal. That's why these are what type of lines are called? Intersecting lines. What I am saying, understood you? a1 by a2 value 3 by 8, b1 by b2 value 4 by minus 5. So these are a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Which lines are called? Intersecting lines. What is it? What is the reason here? Because a1 by a2 value 3 by 8, b1 by b2 value 4 by minus 5. These two are not equal. That's why these lines are called what? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, how many solutions? Only one solution. Only one solution. Are you understood, everyone? So here some examples you can write. You write, everyone. Intersecting lines, 3 examples. How to write the 3 examples here? Suppose 4x minus 5y is equal to 9 written. Suppose here different numbers. 4 after you can write this is even number. You can write what? Odd number. 5x. Here this odd number you can write what? Even. What? Odd number, even number. But these two are not equal. Compulsory. You can write this way of intersecting lines. So next one is we will discuss about 4x plus 3y is equal to 9. Here 8x plus 6y is equal to 27. In this one, a1 value how much? 4. And b1 value how much? 3. c1 value how much? 9. a2 is equal to 8. b2 is equal to what? 6. c2 is equal to what? 27. a1 by a2. Answer is 4 by 8. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. Answer, what is remaining? 1 by 2. b1 by b2. 3 by 6. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. 1 by 2. c1 by c2. 9 by 27. a1 by a2 value 1 by 2. b1 by b2 value 1 by 2. C1 by C2 and 9 by 27. What do you observe? What do you observe? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. So these lines are, what type of lines are called? Parallel lines. One more name for parallel lines is what you called inconsistent lines. Inconsistent lines, how many solution? No solution. So you can write at least 4 examples of what parallel lines. How to write a parallel lines example? Suppose I written 6x minus 8y is equal to 9. You know, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12x right. Here 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16y. But this one write different number except 9 table. So suppose 47. So here 6 2s are 12, 8 2s are 16. So these two are which lines? Parallel lines. One more name for what? Inconsistent lines. So next one is last topic. 9x minus 3y is equal to 5. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18x. 3 2s are 6y. And 5 2s are 10. In this one, A1 value 9, B1 value 3, minus 3, C1 value 5, A2 value 18, B2 value minus 6, C2 value 10. So, A1 by A2 value what? 9 by 18, B1 by B2 minus 3 by 6. Minus minus cancel, 9 1s are, 9 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, and C1 by C2 value 5 by 10, 5 1s are, 5 2s are. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 value 1 by 2, B1 by B2 value 1 by 2, C1 by C2 1 by 2. All same. That's why these lines are what you called dependent lines. One more name what? Coincident lines. So these are, they have how many solutions? Infinite many solutions. Infinite. So this is a basic part of pair of linear equations. So we will discuss in next class what are some important points. So 4.1, 4.2 we will explain next class.